everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock and place the scavenger hut in the Wandering Village. So to begin with, we need to come over here to our research building, and if I come over here to the show research tree and zoom out, we can actually see I have already unlocked the scavenger hut, and this is actually a bit of a way down the tech tree. You obviously have your air well, farm, water tank, etc. the early game just here, and then once you carry on unlocking buildings, you will eventually get to the carpenter and stonemason. You will need to unlock both of these. They're both fairly easy to do, they just require a bit of wood and stone, and then once you come down the tech tree here, you eventually get to the scavenger hut. That is going to require 20 planks, 10 slabs and 30 clay. The slabs and planks obviously coming from the carpenter and stonemason. Once you've gone ahead and unlocked that, you then just need to come down here to the exploration tab, and here we can see the scavenger hut is unlocked. If I left click that and just move around my map here, however, you can see there's very few places that I can actually place that, most of them being relegated to the sides of our ombu. You do want to find somewhere that is fairly easy to do that. I've actually placed two here already, I don't need a third right now, but once you've gone ahead and placed it down, you can go ahead and open the map here, hover over a monument. So for example here we've got a mine or a quarry, and I can then send a party to do that by just pressing this button here, forming expedition party and scavenging. And if I zoom in quickly, we can see that my two guys have just left now and they're on their way to go and scavenge. And that is how you unlock and build the scavenger hut in the Wandering Village. I hope this tutorial has helped.